Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Gautran Cloud Jong Gajan Hills Autonomous District Council, Kablasoy ka Memorandum of Understanding, but ke Earth Tree Company, nakabantawan pinraben, but ban pinjer ngambyang, ki Cloud ki betab, ki bahab, hapo ka jingkmi Jong District Council. Ia ka diga sa sekolah, kabla ikut nakabenta sa host nam, layasoy ka jingalang kablalong ha conference hall, ka office ka council, ha kasantrik unailar, ha kabalaya lang u chief forest officer Jong council, uba FW Bla, u director Jong ka Earth Tree, uba Sani dan Kupar Mauyong, u chief operating officer ka Earth Tree, u Dr. SN Goswami, baru consultant Jong ka Earth Tree, uba HH Morman.
Kenito kiburom ko krotam ya ka pateng lembai yang kini ST committee ko kani wo yo jan sket ye jingman jinglong yang ni kemariam oh kini agreement memorandum agreement debu we sign kamba so afnem to kebenta ko kertang tam hagi hiski ko kani ba le depai ji ni hiski ko kani penyam kanding tinong som yang jeng tiaw rok ko wi pen atali district ke is ko bes penyam kami giding ko danglum le chnai de ki kenor di pelong di kicuki minta selam nek di kamar so sansnem ndai le chnai di chapkat di jengit nek du arlisnem kedal to yo me nding di he tele keni ke periat ko so hafnem man ko biang ba jadi de kalian yonga iku ong khmat keni ke meeting bekat ni wah kam ke jipetik hapok ST committee ke benefit ini giji mentoy wadai yo ini kini ke atri rei ka kam jini sem ki perlu jumun kenongkong to ka ST committee di cha ga wo thung ki di ki thau yong ka ST committee ku em ka len yong kini ke jentia ki waslen em goslen em gum em selen nang wanongkong to yo I galat wo pen jerngam yang ki thau yong ki council ki de selen ku ar hagi thau ki wo thung yakini dak atri hagi thai council le daman ka thau ko ye peman kam ka agro forestry komut uthunglang yigiding klo we yigiding so ko ya jumentoy ya ka ST committee hi warok wi ko yo yu penyam kam hagi snem godawan le ni ka jumentoy wo yo I nagani ka atri project we watershed kam jo green harvesting kuli wala kata thau ko I yo biang thum yo to man ka tourist spot em go project ko wa UI ka fund ni ka kran lang ba atri ya ka ST committee wo chana ke tourist spot ko khado khadwai ke jibut toy ko I kam do khana po ST committee lang ba ka carbon credit biang ba bu ka ya ni MOU agreement so half ne ba yakini ka carbon credit mi ga yo sistem dan ni mari thungi di em kami ati ni ka each of people biang hado sansnem des now tho wa to hadin sansnem yo yakini ka mentoy ni ka carbon credit kamati ki kro ki jang sentu biskut penmi ki ka carbon dioxide di em kami yakini ka carbon dioxide de wadai ki bitawan piri dan ba ni jing dai kamwa kam ka ya kam da pen khana po ST committee kini approximately amount hadin sansnem ke benefit negani jing thung yi di yo I kam khasan hajar hakachi hektar dang yi yi thau yu he nang bon da hadin gani jing ke yagani ka jing yo mantoy man ka haman la kasan snem yi ko ku na ko kasan snem ti ko wi kasan snem hado po shop half nem komun mendekut ko shop half nem de yo I harvest yi ta gi ding ko yo gi ding ki he ki chike ki won put di waldo chile sosnem ko put di pa snem hawa chanai ki furniture ni ki yung sem yang ni ko khado chawo pukut cái ga ko ta ka chula chiki nong chong chinong yang ka chinong jan hills rock ko bi pen atli district ki iso go west net khatam yi ki nong chong ye ki rang ba chinong ya ki kur ki MP thau yo ki he ki selen yi pi ya chemo Dr. Morman Dah bentau yo pergi sekian.
Ngi daladehi bangi experience ru daladehi ka impact jongka climate change mo. Ngi ba sibun kilom kila long baran mo. Kila sa syra kila long selan kiwa kila dry mo nanta. Bat kumju ru kani ka khta mo ya ka kwat ka khya ka jungi bat kumju ya ki khun ki ti bat ki pateng ki banwan te kani ka regeneration Meghalaya kamdei tang ka project mo kamdei tang ka project ka bangia thungding henrei ka dei kata ka vision ba ngin ya bangin ya trei lang kumno bangin penne penem ya kita ki ding ki bangila ya bangi thung ya ki wa but kumjuru bangin ya restore biang ya ka biodiversity namar ba hakini kisnam kibal aleng nilai I ba kata ka biodiversity hari khasi jantia kala dunamo te kumno ngila banya trei lang ban restore ya kata ka biodiversity nambar lingba kata ka restoration jong biodiversity idon ru kilat kilenti kiba ki ecotourism agritourism ngila ban promote so kani ka project ru mo ngidon kata ka vision ka bangia trei lang bat ki communities bat ki kor ki clan bangin ya perkhat lang bat ki ya kini ki jaka ki bala long baran ne ki bala sa selan sa syra kumno bangin restore ya ki ha kata ka rukom ba kandon kata ka jing mentoy ru ya kita ki jaka so kani ka partnership bangi don menta bat ka GHADC bat ka office jing CFO ka dei shisha kata ba bangin ya tray lang tray ringkat bangin ya try ban restore ya kini ki jaka ki bala selan bat kumno bangin pin embiang ya kita ki klau betap ba kumbaong I Dr. Mormon ru bangin ya kata ka legacy mo na benda ki kita ki pateng ki banwan.
Regeneration Meghalaya project, it's a 40 years long project. Its primary goal is to plant trees. Why plant trees? Because we need to improve the ecosystem, the entire ecosystem once we plant trees. There are lots of other opportunities and avenues that needs to come in. It is going to improve the environment, it is going to enhance biodiversity, provide livelihood, and ultimately it helps in, we anticipate that it will help in the well-being of all the people that are staying in Jaintia Hills, both East Jaintia Hill district and West Jaintia Hill districts. And also it's an important project because it's going to mitigate, it's trying to mitigate the hazardous maybe events that we are expecting due to the sudden climate change. And looking forward that with good hope that the long journey we have from today becomes very smooth. At times there will be challenges, and once we discuss, repeatedly involve all the stakeholders, we can see problems, that challenges that comes in front of us. Lastly, I will also again like to thank the entire office of the district forest officer, JSADC, for taking this forward.